Hello everybody, welcome back to Mad's Cookhouse. Today I'll be making a very popular dish which is favorite of everyone, the spicy chili garlic prawns. For this recipe, you need 200 grams of shelled deveined medium-sized prawns. Add in 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce and an egg. Mix this marinade well till the prawns are well coated. Heat the oil in a pan and drop the prawns one at a time and fry them till they are golden in color. Remove from oil and place them on a paper towel to drain. Keep them aside. Now for the sauce. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil, the same oil in which you fried the prawns. Add a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, half a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Saute. Add 1.5 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, 1 chopped green chilli. You can add more as per your taste. Add in a tablespoon of small diced capsicum. Mix well till the onions are translucent. Do not let the onions burn. Add a bit of water if needed. Add 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. Mix well. Make a slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornflour with 1 tablespoon of water. Add it to the sauce and cook till you get a coating consistency. And a tablespoon of vinegar. Mix well. Add in the fried prawns. Mix well so that the prawns are well coated. Adjust the salt if needed. Serve hot. Garnish it with chopped spring onion greens and sesame seeds. This recipe works great with chicken as well. For more such recipes, follow me at Mad's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.